As we approach the busiest travel days of the year, a national transportation group tells us that traffic congestion isn't just a pain in the neck, it's a pain in our wallets. The group, known as TRIP, has released a report that says Pennsylvania drivers shell out about $8.2 billion per year because of accidents, higher maintenance costs, and congestion.
These are additional costs because of the additional cost of operating a vehicle on rough roads, delays caused by traffic congestion, or also the economic cost of traffic congestion, where to some extent the design of the roadway was a contributing factor.
Because everybody in this Commonwealth relies on the transportation system. Some of us use it daily to get back and forth to work or a place of business, to appointments. Some don't drive that much but rely on it for goods and raw products to be shipped into stores and to industries that build things that we all consume. So from an economic standpoint, we're all dependent upon that transportation system.
Pennsylvania's highway system is in poor shape, and it doesn't appear that things will improve anytime soon. These numbers tell the story.
Good transportation network would be one where folks could travel on the roadways with a limited congestion, get to where they need to get to in a quick fashion and not burn a lot of wasted fuel on the highways, and to be quite honest, have a lot of hours of frustration removed from their lives.
What does this mean to the average driver? TRIP says driving on rough roads costs the average motorist $341 per year in additional operating costs, and hundreds more in wasted time and fuel.
So a smooth road surface is essential to us, because when the road surface is degraded and broken up, it's a safety hazard.
The bottom line to the average motorist in the state is your vehicle doesn't last as long as it should. Oftentimes it's taking you longer to get places than it should ideally.
AAA members are looking for much the same as other motorists, a safe, efficient way of getting from point A to point B.
Because when somebody goes out, you want to believe that they're going to get home safely. And a transportation infrastructure that has unsafe conditions on it is a concern to everyone. And if it isn't, it should be. We all want to know that the facilities that are being used are the safest possible. And we simply don't have the revenue to make sure that's happening.